What's going on, guys? Thanks so much for stopping by the garage today. Huge video today. Now, I want you to think real quick. What's the most exciting thing you could do for your car? Lower it, raise it up, put a nice stereo system in it, or you can get it some new shoes, and that's what today's video is about. We got new wheels for the Commander. Oh, baby. Yes, we got some Method wheels, dude. So I know what you guys are saying to yourself. Why did I get new wheels, man? The wheels on the Commander are cool as they are. Why change it up? Why get something different? You've only had them on there a year. Do you really need new wheels? Well, here's the thing, dude. When I went ahead and did the suspension for the Commander, and we got the new tires, and we got a set of wheels, there was only so much in the budget, right? So I couldn't really get the wheels that I really wanted. So as a result, did a little compromise. Got the wheels that are on there now, those Moabs. They're super cool. 7.5 by 17, minus 14 are the offset. No wheel spacers. They fit really well. We could talk about how cool they look all day long. You guys have seen them on the rig. They do look rad. They are an awesome wheel. But we stepped our game up. That's right. We just got back from SEMA, as you guys know, and my #1 goal of SEMA was to find a set of wheels that I love for the Commander. And there's so much to choose from with these Jeeps, man. There's so many different wheels to get. I knew I wanted to go with Method. I just didn't know which style that I wanted to go with. So if you guys don't know Method Racing, they got tons and tons of wheels to choose from. They work for your Jeep, work for your Toyota, work for, God, anything that goes off-road, man, they got a wheel that fits it. And they have so many different styles. Now, the one thing I will say about Method wheels is they don't come in every color. So it's kind of annoying because I really wanted like a gunmetal gray. And they only offer a few wheels in that color. So that was my goal. I wanted to find a style that I like. I was hoping to see them in gunmetal gray. And believe it or not, Kelly actually picked out the style that I went with. That's right. Out of all the vehicles that we saw on SEMA, and trust me, there are literally hundreds, and hundreds of them are running Method Racing wheels. She picked out this design, and I think she made a great choice. So we wind up going with the 705's. 17 by 8.5, offset 0. They're gonna stick out. It's gonna be rad. 5 by 5 is obviously the lug nut spacing. Matte titanium, which is exactly the color that I wanted, and there's 71.5 hub size. So they should fit absolutely perfect on our Commander. No spacers needed. Big reason why I wanted to go with some of these guys, and they are gonna look so freaking rad. So let's open this box up so you guys know what the 705 looks like. Look how nicely they're packed, huh? By the way, I got a link down in the description. Got these guys off Tire Rack. No affiliation whatsoever. Tire Rack is just awesome. They ship these in 2 days, dude. 2 days. It's hard to do one-handed. All right, it's going to be all right. Get this protective ring off of here. You guys ready? Dude, check these things out. That's right. Titanium matte. Basically gunmetal gray. These things are gonna look so sick. Let me pull it out of the box so you guys get a better look at it. All right, here they are in all their glory, dude. Believe it or not, these were actually on sale as well. So this was like just the deal of the century for me. Super happy that I picked them up when I did, because I've been looking at wheels forever. And right when I decided which one I wanted to get, they went on sale. So here it is. It's got this rad, big kind of spacing, cutout holes here. It's got a little bit of a concave to it. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But I like how the kind of the lug hub is sunken into the wheel. Gives it a really cool look. And if you don't know, these things come with bead grip technology. So what does that mean? I hate to roll this up, but I'll be real careful here. So the bead grip technology are these little ridges you see inside of the wheel. And what that does is it allows you to run really low PSI off-road, and your tire won't spin inside the wheel. So one of the things I want to do before we bring it over and get the wheels mounted is I want to change out these chrome rivets in the fender flares, whatever you want to call them. Now these things actually come off, and they come off pretty easy. Let me show you how to do it. So to remove these guys, I got one of these plastic trim remover tools. I'll put a link down in the description because this won't hurt anything. And you want to get behind it. There we go. As you get behind it, kind of rock back and forth, and it'll slowly pull itself out. Almost there. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, got them all off, got them in this box here. And you can paint them any color you want. I'm gonna go with gunmetal gray to match the wheels. So I got my gold frame plastic here and spray these guys and reinstall them. All right, got them painted. Check them out. They're gonna look rad with the new wheels. So unfortunately, I can't install these myself. I gotta take them over to Junior's. He's gonna throw them on the car. Now, we are gonna be running the exact same Toyo tires that we were running previously. Let's get these over to Junior's. Let's see how cool this rig's gonna look with the new shoes. What is up, guys? Got the car back late last night. It was dark out by the time I got home, so I didn't have a good unveiling. So it's the next day. Check this out. We're gonna do a little before and after. You guys tell me what you think. All right, you guys ready? So here's the before, and here's the after. What do you think? Comment below, man. I absolutely love the look. To me, it looks like a Jeep now. It's no longer just an SUV. It looks the part, and the wheels are a big part of that. The wheels make the tires look bigger. I don't know why that's the case, but it is. They look sick, man. They look sick. I mean, I really don't think I have to describe to you how awesome they look. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, and they don't stick out too far. I thought they'd stick out further, but they don't. It's actually like perfect. It's like a 1/4 inch more than the old wheels if you're scoring at home. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the new wheels? I think they look great. This truck's making some moves, man. It's making some moves. You may have noticed I removed the black in between the windows, and the reason I did that was I didn't think it was going to look good with these wheels. So I made that move. I think it was the right move to do. We still have a couple other things to clean up in this car, namely this hideous chrome trim piece here is god awful, and this gas cap isn't doing anybody any favors either. So we're gonna be making some changes next week with these items, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna be at the junkyard next week. Haven't done one of those videos in a long time, so make sure you check that out next Tuesday. But I'm gonna wrap this one up, guys. I hope you enjoy the new wheels. I think it turned out awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys are new to the channel, I put a Jeep video out pretty much every Tuesday at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you ring that bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Later.